Hello viewers, reporting for newszimbabwe.com, I am Makanaka Masenyama. Former ICT Minister Super Mandiwanzira has been freed on $2,000 bail after he was arrested and detained at Matapi police station a day before over tender-related accusations. The ZANU-PF Member of Parliament from Nyanga South was brought to court at around 11 a.m. on Wednesday while accompanied by his lawyers, Selby Wacha and others. He was granted bail and further ordered to surrender title deeds to a property worth $100,000 or more, as well as continue residing at his last given address. Presiding Provincial Magistrate Mishford Govomombe further ordered the businessman not to interfere with witnesses, among them former Net1 CEO Reward Kangai. When he appeared in court, Mandiwanzira, through his lawyer Wacha, placed a complaint that he was detained at the filthy Matapi police cells, which are located in Harare's crime-ridden Bari suburb. The former Al Jazeera journalist looked in good spirits when he first appeared in court and even had light moments with local journalists who covered his court appearance. Mandiwanzira will be back in court on November 30, pending trial. Police accused the ZANU-PF politician of unlawfully ordering government's telecoms firm, Net1, to hire Megawatt Company for consultancy services at a cost of $5 million. He is also accused of unlawfully appointing his personal assistant, Tawanda Chinemberi, to the Postal and Telecommunications Regulatory Authority Board. This, according to the state, led to the loss of $35,000 by porters through allowances drawn by Chinemberi. Meanwhile, former President Robert Mugabe's son-in-law, Simbarashi Chikore, appeared before a different magistrate who remanded him to 14 December for trial. Chikore, who was accompanied by his wife, Bona, is accused of unlawful detention after he allegedly held captive an employee at Zim Airways when he was still the airline's boss. Controversial Harare businessman Wicknell Chivayo also appeared in court over money laundering and fraud charges, but his trial could not take place after he had filed an application of exemption on his previous court appearance. A ruling on his application will be made on November 15. Reporting for newszimbabwe.com, I am Makanaka Masenyama. For these and more stories, do visit our website www.newszimbabwe.com.